200 some. Here, this one is made in Vietnam, and there's a serial number, and the customer for customer product international. Here, there's information and the UPS codes. This one is secure seal because it's I think from Best Buy. I bought this from Best Buy, but I bought online, so to deliver to the house. And here, reliability and value. Some the sorry show you, and this, yeah, the sticker label here. Computer laser monitor, mono laser. Okay, this one mono laser. I don't. That's my last one of monochrome. Monochrome. I don't know. Is it the same or different? I don't have no idea because I didn't research it. And here, print high quality document. 2400 by 600. You use less toners and sell money by using the toners. Sell more for less critical documents. And adjustable 250. Here, capacity paper tray plus a manual fee slot for envelope printing. And stylish space 7 design. Virtually everywhere. Helps sell paper something. Duplex. D Duplex, not the double Duplex. The letter D I just decided printing. Something compact laser printer. Reliability and value. Key feature: fast printing at up to 30 ppm. Automatic duplex two-sided printing to help sell paper. 250 sheet capacity trays adjustable for letter or legal, plus a manual free slot for envelope printing. Print high quality documents at up to 2400 by 600 dpi resolution. Toner sell more for less critical business documents. Stylish, space 7 design fits virtually everywhere. High-speed USB 2.0 interface for local connectivity. And compatible with Windows, Mac. This is a product, Brother International Corporation or traded in Brazil. That's it. I don't think I need to go over. In the bottom, nothing. Let's go to on the top here. Support operating system. Operating system version: Windows, XP Home, XP Professional, X64 Edition, Windows Vista, Windows 7 8.1, Windows 10 Home, 10 Pro, 10 Education, 10 Enterprise, Windows Server 2003, 32/64-bit, 2008, 2008 R2, 2012, 2012 R2, Mac OS X was 10.7.5 or 10.8.x or 10.9.x. Here. For system requirement visas, product.com, Windows Vista, Windows Server, Windows, and Windows logo and trademark of Microsoft Corporation in the United States and other countries. Mac OS, Mac logo and OS, a trademark of Apple, registered in the US and other countries. Okay. Brother Earth, working with you for better environment. Energy 7, Energy Star qualified to have conserve energy and reduce costs. Duplex printing helps sell paper and reduce costs by printing two-sided documents and blockets. Certification of manufacturing facility of the broader groups have an environmental management system that complies with iOS 14.0.01. Replacement supplies here. TN630 standard U toner cartridge, 1200 pages. TN660 high U toner cartridge, 2600 pages. DR630 Brom unit has 12,000 pages. Product creative, create and print free brochure, flyers, and calendars. What's that? For best result, use only genuine supplies. Brother is expensive. I think so. Carton contains HL-L2320D toner, laser printer, starter toner cartridge is 3,700 pages. A PROS toner cartridge used in accordance with iOS, ISO, IEC 19752, letter A4. Brom view is approximately and may vary by type of use. DR630 Brom unit, 400 pages. Installation CD-ROM with setup drive. It's the French and Spanish, and here a printer cable not included. This unit works with the USB cable. That's it. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next video. I will show you how I install it, but not now. Let me skip right now.